Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. This is your maestra. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to have another lesson that is basic conversation in the bank. But before we proceed to our lesson, I just want to thank these people who become a paid members of Cebuano101.com. They can access all the learning materials and they will be the first one to know what I am doing behind the scene. So if you want to be like them, please go to my website and become a member. It is a monthly recurring membership. It's not just accessing my website, it is also supporting me in creating more better and valuable lessons for everyone. If you haven't decided yet, you can still access the 10 free learning lessons that I put there for everyone to try it out. And you can also access the gaming tab wherein you can play the matching game, so beat my scores there, and every end of my video I will give a shout out to those who are in the #1 spot. Let's proceed to our lesson, basic conversation in the bank.
Maayong buntag, miss.
Maayong buntag sad, ma'am.
Asa ko mokuha og numero?
Mag-unsa ka, ma'am?
Mag-withdraw ko.
Okay, ma'am. Kato, ma'am. Adto didto.
Salamat. Conversation example number 2. Miss, mopalit ko og US dollar. Pila ang exchange rate karon?
Ang exchange rate, ma'am, kay 50.69 pesos. Pila imong paliton, ma'am?
Mga US dollars, miss.
Okay, ma'am. Lingkod lang sa tawagon rati ka, ma'am, ha?
Example conversation number 3. Miss, mangutana lang ko.
Yes, ma'am.
Naamoy noon break?
Wala, ma'am.
Okay, salamat. End of conversation.
Now let's go to basic greetings. Maayong buntag, that is good morning. Maayong hapon, good afternoon. Maayo means good. Buntag is morning. Hapon is afternoon. Maayong buntag, maayong hapon. Common customers questions. Unsay permero na kong buhaton? Unsay permero na kong buhaton? What should I do first? What should I do first? Unsay permero na kong buhaton? Now let's break it down. Unsay is what? Permero. Permero. First. Nako. In here, there is nako. Is actually a contracted word of nako nga. But we like to shortcut words because it is more efficient. We say nakong. Nakong means you're referring to yourself. Buhaton. Buhaton is do. Okay? Something to do. Okay? Next, when you go to any establishment here in the Philippines, most of them have priority numbers. So this phrase is also very useful. Asa mukuha og numero. Asa mukuha og numero. Where to get a priority number. Asa mukuha og numero. Where to get a priority number. Usually the guards are the ones who will guide you where to get the numbers. And sometimes you just have to look for numbers on the counter. Like in the pharmacy, they have these priority numbers on their counters. Now let's break it down. Asa, where? Asa is a very important word, guys, so you must learn this. Asa, where? Mukuha means to get, from the root word kuha, that means get. Mukuha, that means to get. Og, og is an objective particle. In English, it is a or an, but sometimes it doesn't have direct translation. Numero, number. Asa mukuha og numero? Where to get a priority number? These are common introduction questions, usually asked by the staff like the guards and the one in the counter, at the counter area. What would you like to do? Mag-unsa ka, ma'am? Sir. Mag-unsa ka, ma'am? Mag-unsa ka, sir? So sometimes the guard will ask you, before giving you the priority number, they will ask you, mag-unsa ka, ma'am? Mag-unsa man ka, ma'am? So they will ask you this sentence because they wanna direct you to the proper priority number queuing. Okay? So mag-unsa man ka, ma'am? Mag-unsa ka, ma'am? Mag-unsa ka, sir? What would you like to do? Mag-unsa. Mag-unsa is what? Okay? Unsa is what? And then mag-unsa, like what would you like to do? Would like to do. Mag-unsa, would like to. Ka here is you. Okay? Mag-unsa ka, ma'am? What would you like to do? Next. Unsay ato, ma'am? Unsay ato, sir? It is basically, what's ours, ma'am? What's ours, sir? It's like asking you, what would you like to do? It's another way of asking, what would you like to do? The ato here is like, what are we going to do together? Okay, so those are introduction questions. Now let's move forward. How may I help you? Or how may I help? Or how may I serve you? Unsay ikaalagad? Unsay ikaalagad nako, ma'am, sir? Unsay ikaalagad nako, ma'am, sir? It's like she's offering her service. What can she do for you? Unsay? Okay? It's like, how may I help you in English? Ikaalagad is serve. The nako is I here. Now, this is the waiting game. Of course, you will have your priority number and you must wait for your turn. You must wait for your number to be called. So these are very common sentence the staff will tell you. They will say, just wait for your number to be called. Okay, in Bisaya, that is, hulat lang tawagon imong numero. Hulat lang tawagon imong numero. Okay, now let's break it down. Hulat is wait. Lang is just. Tawagon. From the root word tawag. Tawagon is to be called. Imo is yours. Numero. Numero is number. Okay, let's repeat that. Just wait for your number to be called. Hulat lang tawagon imong numero. Hulat lang, ma'am, tawagon imong numero. This is how they say it. Hulat lang, ma'am, ha, tawagon imong numero. We like